Windows are an essential part of any home, providing light, ventilation, and security. However, like any component of a house, they can experience issues over time. In Birmingham, where weather conditions can be unpredictable, homeowners may encounter several window problems. If you're noticing issues with your windows, don't worry. Many common problems are relatively easy to fix. In this article, we'll explore some of the most common window problems faced by Birmingham homeowners and how to address them. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most frequent complaints from Birmingham homeowners is cold drafts coming through the windows, especially during the winter months when temperatures can drop significantly. Drafts are typically caused by gaps around the window frame or deteriorating weather stripping. How to fix it? To solve the problem, start by inspecting the weather stripping around your windows. If the weather stripping is cracked or missing, replace it with new weather stripping. You can also use caulk to seal gaps around the window frame. If the draft is coming through the glass itself, consider installing double-glazed windows or adding window film to reduce heat loss and improve energy efficiency. Condensation between double-glazed windows. Another common issue in Birmingham homes, especially in older properties, is condensation forming between the panes of double-glazed windows. This problem often occurs when the seal on the window fails, allowing moisture to enter between the glass panes. How to fix it? Unfortunately, once the seal on a double-glazed window fails, the only way to fix the issue is to replace the entire window. In some cases, it might be possible to repair the seal, but this is not always a long-term solution. If your window is under warranty, contact the manufacturer or supplier for a replacement. Sticking or difficult to open windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close are a common issue in many homes. This problem is often due to dirt or debris in the tracks, or the window frame may have expanded or warped due to weather conditions. How to fix it? Start by cleaning the window tracks thoroughly. Use a vacuum to remove dirt and debris, and then wipe down the tracks with a damp cloth. If the window is still difficult to open, you may need to lubricate the tracks with a silicone spray. If the window is still sticking, check the frame for warping or damage. In extreme cases, the window frame may need to be replaced. Broken or cracked glass windows can be easily damaged by impacts from debris, accidents, or even temperature fluctuations. A cracked or broken window not only compromises the security and aesthetic of your home but can also lead to heat loss and drafts. How to fix it? For minor cracks, you may be able to apply a glass repair kit to temporarily fix the issue. However, if the window is severely cracked or broken, it's essential to replace the glass as soon as possible. Contact a professional glazing service to ensure the repair is done safely and properly. If you're concerned about security, consider upgrading to laminated or toughened glass, which is more resistant to damage. Misted or foggy windows. Misted or foggy windows are often caused by a failure in the seal of double-glazed windows. This issue occurs when moisture gets trapped between the glass panes, causing the glass to appear cloudy or foggy. How to fix it? Like condensation between panes, misted or foggy windows require the replacement of the glass unit. A professional can remove the old glass and install a new unit with a secure seal to prevent moisture from entering. To avoid this issue in the future, ensure that your windows are regularly maintained and inspect the seals periodically. Noise and vibration. Birmingham, being a busy city, can sometimes be noisy, and many homeowners experience vibrations or noise coming through their windows. This can be due to single-glazed windows or poorly sealed window frames. How to fix it? Consider upgrading your windows to double-glazed units, which are excellent at reducing noise and vibration. If replacing the windows is not an option, you can apply soundproofing film or install heavy curtains to help block out noise. Additionally, ensure that the window frames are sealed properly to reduce any vibrations caused by air movement. Window frame rot. In older homes, wooden window frames can rot due to prolonged exposure to moisture. This can lead to structural issues with the window, compromising both security and functionality. How to fix it? If you notice rot, it's important to address it quickly to prevent further damage. Small areas of rot can be repaired with wood filler and paint, but if the rot is extensive, the entire frame may need to be replaced. Regularly maintaining and repainting wooden frames can help prevent rot from forming in the future. Conclusion. Windows are crucial to your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. While window problems are common in Birmingham homes, many issues can be resolved with a bit of maintenance or professional repair. If you're dealing with persistent window problems, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional window contractor who can help restore your windows to their full functionality. By taking care of your windows, you can ensure that your home remains comfortable, secure, and energy efficient for years to come.